All right, you ready? Let's do this. Hold up right there. Man, I'm not coming to rob you. I'm not even gonna come take your job. I'm actually gonna give you this. What's up guys, Chris Craze here, and today's video is exactly about what you thought it was. Jobs. Work from home jobs 2020, no experience. If you don't have any experience, that's completely okay. Why? Because we're gonna talk about how to make money from home in 2019. Did I say 19? I'm kidding. In 2020, how to make money from home 2020 as a teen, as an adult, regardless of who you are. The moral of this story is no experience, because we're going to show you right here on this video exactly how to do it. Now, you might ask, what are the best work from home jobs in 2020? These are some of them. I'm telling you. Now, you might also ask, what are some work from home jobs with no phone? If you don't want to be on the phone, that's fine. Other videos I did showed exactly how to make money online on your phone. This you could do on your phone or without your phone. It doesn't matter. But before we get into the video, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, leave a comment below, notification bells, ding ding. You know all the routine here. Now, work from home jobs 2020. Why? Not many people are working right now, and everybody is at home right now. So this video is made for you so that I can give you guys some tips and some references on where to get some work online, because everything is online right now. Are they legit? Yes. Are they actionable? Yes. Do they work? Yes, if you put in the work. So, like I said before, let's move in. We're going to jump into my laptop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, now we're in my laptop here, and as you can see on the screen, we're gonna start from 10 to number 1, and of course, as always, I got a bonus for you guys, so stick around for the bonus because it is great. Now, number 10, what is it? Transcription. I'm not gonna talk in detail about that because I just did a video about that yesterday. Go ahead, watch that video after this one. Moving on here. Now, number 9, what is number 9? Virtual assistant. Yes, that's right, a virtual assistant. What is virtual assistant work? There's tons of options available. Virtual assistants do like virtual assistant, admin assistant, project coordinator. I got a friend that's a project coordinator. She's actually helping with many, many hospitals right now and get these facilities and these temporary facilities up and running. It's great work, and she works from home. She could work from anywhere, so it's perfect. What else? Like I said, coordinators, writers, bloggers, editors. I have a ton of videos online here on this channel that talk about it so far. Go ahead and check those out. Anyways, what does a virtual assistant do? Virtual assistant can do anything from data entry to support, transcription. Already said that. I know that. Social media. We're going to talk about that later, so stick around for farther along in the video. I'm going into detail about that. And of course, writers. Now, where would you find virtual assistant jobs? That's where you would find them. Virtualassistantjobs.com is where you would go to find those. And as you can see here, now you might be worried and wondering at the top, if it's virtualassistantjobs.com, why does it say virtualofficetemps.com? Because Virtual Office Temps forwards over to that other domain. So just to give some clarification on that so you can visually connect the dots with what I'm saying. Now, work from home jobs. We're going to go up at the top here and we're going to click jobs. Jobs listing page opens up. Now you can see category section, and we're going to click here, and you could go in and you can see bloggers, call center, data entry. So there's a ton of them. Now when you scroll down there, there's a ton of options available, but we're focusing on the virtual assistant one because that is what this section of the video is about. So click on that, and boom, what comes up there, obviously you could see right off the bat, the first line right there, $3,000 per month is what they're hiring for. Wouldn't you like to make that right now? Yes, I know I would. So $3,000 per month. You scroll down farther, $18 per hour, $20 per hour. Then you have the colored boxes. Basically what those colored boxes mean is they're just telling you in details whether it's flexible, whether it's a contract job, full-time, things like that. So make sure you can scroll down, you can look at this on your own time, but this is an opportunity to present to you where these jobs are and currently what jobs are available. They're posted here, so they're available, and yes, they are hiring. Make sure you check that out if you want to do virtual assistant work. It's not bad. I have a ton of virtual assistants working for me. I have probably like 90 to 150 virtual assistants working for me. Yes, that's right. Anything from writers, from bloggers, from content editors. I have people that skim articles, that change keywords in articles. The list goes on. And I have a great time doing it. My businesses wouldn't be working if I didn't have virtual assistants. So I will say one tip though, be very articulate and be very communicative, because the more communicative you are, and this goes with anything, the better somebody can understand you. Side note. Now, what's number 8? Software testing. You probably would never think of it, but beta testers, software testers, kind of the same thing. This one just deals with software. Now, what is software testing? Basically, you're testing functionality, you're testing defects, you're testing the quality of the product. It's not like a company just builds some software and just puts it out to the public to use, and then the public gives them some feedback. I mean, some do, but it's probably not the best business model to do that. So what do? They open it to a test group of people to use it, to see how it works. And of course, they compensate you for your time or by project. There's different options. The site that we're going to be talking about here, as you can see, is usertesting.com. Don't need to spell it because it's simple, usertesting.com. Now, how does it work? Well, the screen says right there how it works. So we're going to forget that, and we're going to scroll up, and we're going to go to the top, and we're going to click Get Paid to Test. Now, the next page opens up, and boom, right in front of you, you could see $60 to test. And they obviously have different options, and when you sign up with the company, they'll give you full details. They don't want to give everything away because obviously they have to gate some of it. But how it works, you can see $10 every 20-minute video. That adds up. 3 videos in 1 hour, that's $30 an hour. That's a pretty good deal. So this is a good option that you can do. So check this out. Now, what's number 7? Number 7 is to create a website or a blog. And you might be thinking, well, I don't know how to do that. That's not for me. That's just not my forte. Well, there's sites that are online that make this extremely, extremely simple for you. Yes, that's right. What are they? Some of them are Wix.com, Wix.com, or WordPress.com, WordPress.com. Both of those, they have templates, they have options to put your website up. And you might be thinking, how do I make money from a website? Well, you can either build a website and turn around and sell it. That's an option. You can build a website and then sell products on it. That's an option. Or you can actually build a website and you can keep building that website, and you can do SEO on it, search engine optimization, keywords, long tail keywords, the whole 9 yards, and you can seriously go down a rabbit hole on that. But your website will start getting traffic to it. People will visit it, and then you can put affiliate links on it. You can run ads on it. The options, I don't want to say are endless because they do hit a dead end at some point, but there's a lot of options there and a lot of ways to make money. So check those sites out. I displayed those on the screen here. Now, what's number 6? Number 6 is a video editor. And you might be thinking the same thing here. I don't know anything about editing videos. Well, guess what? There are sites that make it super, stupid, simple, easy. Yes, synonyms. I got it. So also, you can go on YouTube and watch a video just like this on how to do it. Except this isn't a how-to video. It's just a how-to video. How to get work online. So keep it on. Save clips from longer videos and the shorter ones. That's what you can do for video editing. Take a long video, smaller clips, reorganize them, and post them on social media, things like that. You can also make square videos out of rectangle videos. That's an option, which is resizing. And you can add text to videos. You, me, all of us, we've seen those videos on Instagram or YouTube where there's no sound, but you see the text reading across the screen. Somebody has to do that in what's called post-production. Yes, you would be producing yeah, I get those twisted. Post-production is what you would be working in, and you would be editing videos. That's technically what it's called in the industry term, but those are some options there. Colors, exposures, those are options. So videos need editing. People don't know how to do it, or they don't have the time. That's where you come in. Now, what are some sites? As you can see here, Clipchamp.com. Clidio.com. They offer some free services plus, and why I say plus is there's also paid services for their platform. And you can also go to the next page, WeVideo.com. They start at $4.99 a month and go up from there. And this is a business model. Some of these you might have to invest, others you won't, but none of these require experience. You could teach yourself. That's the focus of this. And of course, the third one is Clidio.com, CLIDEO.com for my listeners. And what that does is that is a simple online editor. They start at $6 a month, but basic editing, if you pay $6 a month and then you edit 14 videos and you're getting $10 a video, you see where the math comes in, it's worth it. Now, thanks for listening, guys. I'm splitting this video into 2 sections because it's just so jam-packed with information. So the second 5 top jobs, work from home jobs, 2020, no experience, how to make money from home 2020. That's right, is going to be the next video. So make sure you check in for that and subscribe, like, notification bells, bing, bing. And I'm Chris Craze. Until next video, I'm out.